Okay, so how many of you have decided the best move for white? Hi, for white in this position. Hello, hi Shaurya. Please have a seat. So please keep your hands down 1 second. Just raise your hands, not yourself. So only if you're calm, you'll get the chance. Let's start with Diya.
Bishop to
Huh.
e3.
Bishop to e3. Sanvi.
Rook to e2.
Okay, Mihir.
Rook to e3.
Advik.
Sir, rook to e2.
Smayan.
Rook to e2. Rook
Arya,
e2.
Abhinav. Okay, so most of you found the correct move. Okay, okay. So it's not a competition. No.
Rook when bishop plays
E3.
e3, knight takes, pawn
pawn
takes,
takes,
queen
will take.
takes, bishop takes.
So how will bishop take? You first you are putting bishop there, no? So knight is taking the bishop. How will it come back to life? So in this position, it is a check to our king, right? So most people would block with the bishop or maybe with the queen. But the best move here is using a pin. You can use a pin and win the queen. How? The king and queen are in the same line, which means if you put rook here, you're getting the queen.
And
So that's how you use that. Those who talk will not get the chance for the next question also. When I'm saying something, do not interrupt. Others also have to learn, not just you. So wait for me to finish before you start saying something. Or raise your hand. So rook e2 pins the queen. If the queen moves, what happens, Ramya? Why can't the queen just move? Let's say queen goes here or queen here. Why can't the queen move? What's wrong with the queen going away? You have to pay attention, then you will understand. You have to listen in the class. Shloka, why can't the queen move away?
because the rook will be given the check.
Yeah, it will be check to the king. That is why the queen cannot move. So the best option right now, Abhinav, for black would be, what should black do here? The best thing black can do.
Queen to e5.
So why is that best? Then I'll take with the knight. So I'll only lose a knight. I won't even lose a rook. So the best thing is at least get your opponent's rook. Na? You're going to lose the queen. So at least you should get your opponent's rook. So if I take, you'll be able to take back. So that is getting a rook. If you're going back, then you're not even getting a rook. You're only getting a knight. So let me ask Manan, what is the best option for black here?
Bishop to f5.
Bishop to f5. So when I take the queen, you will play
Bishop takes.
bishop takes queen.
Bishop
So
takes
either
pawn.
bishop f5 or just king takes pawn. The best option here would be just king taking the pawn. Let white take and then you take back with the knight. So you will get the queen and opponent will get your rook. So it is winning for you. So this is just for you to understand what a pin is. Easiest question today. Now let's go to a little bit tougher question. So our topic for today is pins.
White on the top, black on the top. Black. Okay. What a weird position. Eh? What a weird position.
So here let me guess the position.
Sir, white to play all
Wait, let me just make sure the position is correct. 1 second. Hello everyone.
When did this guy join?
He joined from last week. This week.
Can I face him today, sir?
No, he has just started playing. You are an experienced player. We'll see about it.
Sir, me and Vishnu are friends, even he is a friend.
Mm-hmm.
We want to beat him at chess.
Position is almost set. So this is the second position. We have to find the best move. This is not easy like the first one. You have to think. You have to use your time. 2 minutes to think. Black king has just moved here. So this is the position. It is white to play and get a winning position. So 2 minutes to think. White to play. Find the best move for white. Hi. Hello, Bharat. Please have a seat. You can keep the water bottle there on the table over there. Here, yeah. Yeah. You can keep it on the table, Bharat. Okay. Yeah, no, I was telling him. Okay, so let's think about this position, everyone. White to play. Try to find the best move for white in this position. Our topic is pin. So see which piece is pinned or which piece can be pinned and what you can do about it. Don't make noise. No need to raise hands now. Now is the time to think. So use your time to think and be ready with your answer. Okay, how many of you have decided? So many people have decided. Let's start with Bharat. What does he move?
So the pin piece is the knight, which is on.
So what's it? Just tell me a move. What will you play for white?
Sir,
Shouty can move a little this side so that he can also move here.
so the
Yeah.
bishop, which is on. E,
Bishop to which square? Bishop to which square?
Bishop to
Hmm.
G3.
Okay. And Advik, what's your move?
So bishop to G3.
Okay, how many of you want to play Bishop G3 out of those who raised hands? How many of you don't want to play Bishop G3? Okay, what is Shanaya's move? You didn't have a move? Rook to G6, going right into the mouth of the knight. That's how we're going to win. Abhinav?
Sir, two moves.
Just tell me first move.
Rook takes a knight.
Okay, 1 second. Sanvi, what's your move?
Rook to E6.
Rook to E6, going into the mouth of the rook in the other way. So both sisters are giving up their rook for free. One on the right side, one on the left side. So out of all the answers, out of everyone who decided, some of you decided very fast. Some of you took your time. Only one person found the correct move. And that person is Abhinav, the highest rated student in the class. And it's not a surprise. So let's ask Abhinav, why are you playing rook takes knight,
Sir,
Abhinav?
when the rook takes back, then we can play G3.
Which piece?
Bishop.
Bishop to G3, and you will be up by, at the end of all that, what will you be up by?
A knight.
Huh? Where is your knight?
Rook.
Yeah, you'll be up. You're up a rook, is it? You're giving up your rook now. How will you be up by a rook? You'll be up by bishop. Yeah, correct. So that's it. So the move that most of you are saying was this. You're trying to put pressure on this knight. The knight is pinned. Yes. So you're playing bishop here to again pin it and attack it. But the problem is I'll just take it. And then you will take it. So what did you win? You just did an exchange of bishop and knight. It's not winning. So that is why you have to take your time to find good moves. Good moves will not happen just like that. You have to use your time, put in your effort, only then you will find the best. So the best move here, it's not that difficult. One person found it. Rook takes knight. Giving up the rook for the knight, a temporary sacrifice. They will take. And now you play bishop b6 and you'll be up by a bishop. Because let me ask. Up by rook. Are you up by rook? Where's your rook? You're up a bishop, not rook. You'll be having an extra bishop. Right? The rook cannot move. Huh? Yeah, right. Okay. So after king moves or whatever black plays, next moves bishop takes rook and you will be up by a who's making
But it
noise.
didn't happen yet, so we are up by 2.
Okay.
Very hard.
Happy? Happy?
No.
Okay. Alright.
No, I want to win.
Let's go to the next position. So now you understand? Take your time to find good moves. Yeah, please come, Rian. Have a seat. Let's see where Rian can sit. Please move. Please move a little forward. Abhinav and Mihir, move a little forward. Rian, keep your bag over there and you can have a seat over here. Arya, behave yourself. Please be quiet.
So Sloga's putting a finger in your mouth.
Okay, mouth is kind of okay. Nose is the problem. Mouth also we shouldn't do because you'll be touching the pieces.
Go to sleep. Right now it's
Okay. Who is making noise?
So that's what she was doing, sir.
Silence, please, Sloga. Don't make noise. The ratings will be updated every month twice. This month it will be updated. It was updated at the beginning of the month. So it will be updated next month on the first day of the month. I'll update it.
Just not commenting.
Everything. What else? Yeah, those who haven't played games will lose points. So you got to play it before the end of the month. You still don't have what? The what? The red sock? What are you saying?
The red soccer.
The red soccer? What is the red soccer? The circle. What circle? Oh, the red circle. Okay, you're waiting for the red circle to appear and then play. Uh-huh.
So who is that? Avantika what?
Who's what? Where?
That girl.
What do you think?
The girl with the jacket.
Arya, use your senses and try to figure things out. Your five senses will tell you. Eyes. Mainly
Sir,
eyes.
now your phone is blocking the board.
What is blocking the board?
Your phone.
Uh-huh.
His phone is
You
blocking the board.
could have sat down. Now let me move it a little.
He has two phones. One is a
Okay, let's be quiet now. Arya.
I don't even have a single phone.
Yeah, when you
The
grow up,
phone's
you
in a
get
jar.
one.
Like me.
For me,
I can't even
Okay. Okay, let's be quiet now. Arya is this close to getting negative points today. So please be quiet and behave yourselves. Okay, there's a knight missing. Knight's over here.
NITHT.
Okay, so the black player has just played pawn to c3. Attacking your queen, obviously. Try to focus here. Darsh and Ramya, focus on the board here, not that board, this board.
Voice.
So, white to play, try to figure out the best move for white. You have a way to get a winning position. See if you can find it. So, take your time. Take your time, Nirvan. When will you learn?
Castle on outside. Sorry, just
Huh.
again he-
No, the king castle alongside and then move again. That not is not important. Let's focus on the position. Please be quiet, Mihir. Mihir is not going to get the first chance for this question. Those who think and those who come will get the chance. So for those who missed the first question, we are looking at pins. When a piece cannot move, we call it a pin. So that's what we are focusing on today. So see if you can spot a pin already or you can do a pin. We want to get a position where we are up material. That's our aim. White to play. All questions are white to play. Manan, please keep that down.
I'm gonna keep it here.
Manan,
Yeah.
I should go there.
huh?
I should go there so he stops playing with the phone.
That's a good idea. If he does it again, we'll have a shift.
Or should I go there?
You will see. Okay, how many of you have decided for this one? Few people, yeah. So I'll give a little more time to think. Only 6 people have decided. So a little bit more time to think so that more people. Huh?
How's that a little bit?
A little bit.
That's like so much.
I said few people. A few people have decided. Huh? 6 out of. It's not even half. So it's only a few.
How many people do we have?
And that. Let's focus, Dhriti, and decide. Make your decision. Make it. Don't make noise.
So out of 17, only 6.
Okay, let's be quiet and not disturb those who are thinking.
We're looking for a winning point, right?
Yeah, we have to find a winning move, a move that gets us winning position.
We already.
So those who do puzzles regularly will be able to find these moves and will be able to play it in games. That's why it's very important to train yourself. Do puzzles every day. Chess.com, Chess, wherever you can do, you should be doing puzzles regularly. Yeah, it's like going to the gym. For an athlete, going to the gym is as important as for a chess player doing puzzles every day. Okay, so let's start with Sanvi this time.
So, queen takes the f pawn.
Which pawn? The f4 or f6?
f6.
Okay, Bharat, your move. Okay, Mihir.
Same thing.
Okay, Abhinav.
Same thing.
What is the same thing?
Sir, queen to f6.
Okay, Arya, you agree with everyone?
Agree with this, Swami.
Sir, even
Huh?
agree.
Okay, so those who are raising hand, you want to play queen takes pawn? How many of you don't want to play queen takes pawn? Okay, Rian is saying, why are you guys blundering your queen? If you play queen takes pawn, I'll take your queen, says Rian, right?
No, but
Yeah,
it
but 1 second, let him speak. No, why are you taking? So,
we're only getting 1 point.
and you're losing the queen.
The 9 points.
So why are they all saying queen takes pawn? Something must be going on, na? Either they are all thinking wrong or seeing wrong, or you are thinking wrong. Who could it be? What is it? What is it that they are missing, or what is it that? Let me ask 1 second. Let me ask Dian. Yeah,
The
who's right?
sun.
Sanvi and those who said queen takes pawn. Okay, why is Rihanna? Why is it not a free queen?
Because the pawn can't take because the bishop is getting the check.
Yeah, it's a pin. The pawn is pinned. So you can't take. So you can close your eyes and play queen takes pawn. If your opponent takes your queen, you stop the clock, call the arbiter. How many of you have a tournament tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow. Often. Your tournament.
Not my tournament, inter-school tournament. This Bishop's Scotland tournament.
Yeah.
Why are you doing all this?
Sir,
Behave properly, Arya. Okay.
which school?
Arya, if you cannot behave properly, I'll have to ask you to move. I'll make a different space over there for you to sit and listen. Others have. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Next class, I'll make a nice little cabin over there in the hallway. Okay. So those who have tournament tomorrow, if your opponent makes a move that is illegal, don't like shout at your opponent. Don't tell your opponent. Don't do anything to your opponent. Just stop the clock. I mean, you have to wait for the person to make the move and press the clock. Only then the move is complete. Once he presses the clock, you stop the clock. Stop the clock as in pause the clock. Send a button, and you call the arbiter. When the arbiter comes, you tell him or her that my opponent made this move. It is illegal. Then arbiter will note it, and it will be first illegal made by the opponent.
Abhinav will not do it.
Arya is getting -5. Please move Arya. Arya, this is the first time today, so I'm giving only -5. If you keep behaving like this, it will be more.
-10.
Okay, I'll make it -3 because it is first occurrence. There's a limit. You have to stay within the limit, no? Okay, so second illegal, if your opponent makes in the same game, they lose the game. So when your opponent,
does not count, right?
huh?
In the same move.
No, not in the same move. In the same game, in a different move, if they make one more illegal, they lose the game. Any questions?
So isn't 3?
No, it's 2. 2 illegal is game over in a tournament. Yes, Riya?
But in our school, we said 3 illegals.
Where? When you play on the board between each other, friendly games. That's because you play friendly games. Because a lot of beginners, complete beginners. I'm talking about tournament. In a tournament, 2 illegal is loss. Okay, so let's go back. So that means after queen takes pawn, the pawn cannot take. The king will have to move. Manan, if you keep playing with it, you will have to sit down. Somebody else will be taking your place. Because there's a board there. Okay, so king moves is the correct move. And now Shloka, can you find the next move for white?
So notice me when he is playing with the pin.
He's not playing with it. He's not moving it here and there. He's being calm, not like you. Yes, Shloka. Here, keep your hand down. Let us see.
Out of danger to some place.
But you got only one pawn, na? Look for more. Once you've got a good position, go for it. Na? Don't just run away. We want to look for more. Let me ask Smile.
Queen takes the G pawn.
Yeah. So Shloka, you need to listen. If you didn't find an answer, somebody tells it. Try to see why is it correct. You got to take the pawn. That's how you finish the game. Instead of running away, you go forward and take the pawn. Is it checkmate, Ramya? Is it game over?
No.
What will black do? Your name is Ramya, Bharat. Yes, Ramya. What will? It's a check. Queen is giving a check, right? Can the king move here? Queen is there. Can the king go here?
No.
Can the king take it? Yeah, it is checkmate. If the queen comes right in front of the king and you can't take it,
We can
game
take
over. How?
Queen.
With what?
Sir, unless it's a free queen.
How can you take it with the king? You're going to a check with the bishop. No, how can you do that? You can't go into the line of the bishop. You can't go into the mouth of the
So the
king.
only thing black can do is say game.
Yeah, you stop the clock and shake hands.
Cheese.
That's all. Now comes the hardest question of today. Let's see. Let's see how many of. Yeah, so there was one hard question that Abhinav found. This one is even harder. So let's see how many of you can figure this one out.
Let's see if Abhinav can see.
Yeah. Give the task to Abhinav, not you, na?
Yes. The task is yours, Abhinav. Solve it and
Dash, if you want to get better, you need to have the right attitude. If you have a question to solve, try to do it yourself. First, you need to be ready to solve it yourself.
Yes, sir.
Don't put blame or responsibility on others. Already 4 people are there, no? 5 people are there.
Why 5 people are sitting up?
Because Advik has hurt his leg and he needs 3 weeks to recover. What is it, Advik? Is there a what happened? Like,
My ankle got strained.
oh, ankle sprain. Okay, ankle sprain takes time to heal. Okay. So this is the position. The black player has just played rook to d8. So before we start solving, first let's understand who is winning right now. Who is in a winning position in this position? Who is up material? Arya. Who is up material, Arya?
White.
What is white up by Arya?
Knight.
Huh?
Knight.
Okay. We'll take Arya to a eye hospital soon. Let's ask Shania. Who is up material? Arya is still figuring it out. No need to raise hands. Advik, sit down. Keep your hands down, guys. I'm asking only Shania. Black is up by what, Shania?
Oh,
Now you need to be quiet. Yes, Shania. 1 pawn extra for black. I think Shania needs the eye hospital even more than.
Here.
No, you need to check the power and then give. You are not a doctor. 2 pawns, still not there. Okay, let's ask Rian. Who's up material and by what? Still think there's nothing to think. Just see the position.
Sir, I can get.
I'm not asking you what to play. Those who raise hands will not get the chance. Calm down, everybody. Arya, why are you raising? And you already got a chance. Keep it down. Keep your hand down. It will be -5 next. Okay. Rian, try to see the pieces and see who has more pieces. There's nothing to think. You just have to compare and decide.
More pieces.
What else am I
I'm
asking?
thinking the winning position.
Try to understand the question first. I repeated it like 5 times. That's not how you decide who is winning by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, Riya. I'll tell you how to decide after that. After I ask Darsh, who's up material, Darsh?
Sir, black is up by rook.
And that's it.
No.
Black's up a rook.
Yeah.
Wrong answer.
Sir.
Mihir, you are not getting a chance. If you're not calm, you will not get a chance. Let me ask Bharat.
Sir, black up by. Black is up by rook
Huh.
and 2 pawns.
Okay, that's it. Wrong
And
answer.
knight.
Wrong. You're going wrong. Okay, Abhinav.
Sir.
Silence. Well, black doesn't even have a knight. How is black up a knight?
Sir.
What? Yes.
Black is up by 3 pawns
Yeah. 3 pawns and.
and a rook.
Okay, that's it. Okay, not correct answer. Diya.
3 pawns, rook, and a knight.
Where is black's knight?
Well, black knight.
Black doesn't even have a knight. You're saying black is up a knight?
Knight.
So tell me finally, na, what is the actual answer? What's the final answer?
Black.
Black up by what?
Rook and 3 pawns.
4. Rook and 3 pawns, 4 whites.
Knight.
That is how we have to say it.
Sir,
So now please be.
Change and 2 pawns.
Knight.
Yeah. Up an exchange and 3 pawns. It's 3 pawns, no? It's 3 pawns and an exchange up. A rook for a knight. White is not up by a knight. Black is 1 rook extra for white's knight. So the difference is rook and knight. So when you decide who is winning, look at the position. Start with the queens. Both sides are 1 queen each. So that's done. Second, compare the rooks. Black has an extra rook. That you keep in your mind. Third step, compare the minor pieces, bishops and knights. White has 1 knight extra, 1 piece. So basically it's a rook for a knight. So black is winning. Now you go to pawns. Black has got 3 pawns extra as well. So the rook and 3 pawns for a knight. That's how you tell who is winning. So black is winning. Now let's try to find out the winning move for white. Black is up material, but white has got a killer move in this position, which will lead to a winning position.
Killer move?
So Shloka, are you thinking or not?
Yeah, serial killer.
Now please be quiet, use your time and think. Try to find out that move. It's not an easy move to find. So use your time, white to play and win. Silence please. Yeah, sure. You need to raise hands.
I need to drink water.
Okay, sure. You have? Okay, then please come here.
Sir, you 9 in water, but I don't have.
Then you can come here.
Okay. Now everybody is going to come here.
Mane, whatever you do, there's only to talk. Yes.
So I don't need water.
Who's talking? Ramesh, you need water, right? Try to think about the question, no talking.
You both can't sit on the sofa. Sofa and you.
Arya is getting another -3. You know what you did? First, you need to know how to behave when you're coming for a class. What you're doing is not the way to behave. This is not a dance class. Once you finish what you should have a seat, not disturb others. People are thinking. If you don't want to think, fine, let others think. You don't need to raise hands, Bharat. This is the time to think. What to play for white is the question. No talking. Let everybody think. Leave the pieces, Arya and Bharat. No touching the pieces. Not now. Darsh, where is Darsh? Okay, okay, how many of you have decided for this one? Only 4, 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's start with Nirvan.
Sir, going to A6.
Queen to E6. What will happen after that, Nirvan? What will black do? What is black's best option? No need to raise hands. I already saw who all raised hands. Now I'm asking only Nirvan. So queen takes bishop. What is black's best option? What will black do, Nirvan? Imagine you played this against Rian. What will Rian do? With the pawn he'll capture your queen. So it is bad for you. So that's why don't decide in a hurry. Take your time. Look around. King can't take, so that's fine. But pawn will take. Let's ask Manan. What's your move?
That is the same move, but I realize
Okay.
what you said.
So you should think about it before deciding. Let's ask how many of you have decided. There was Shloka as well, is it? No. Not decided? What is your move?
We should do bishop to
E6. I'll take back with the pawn. It's an exchange.
and then
The king will take the queen. Why give up? Bharat is not getting a chance for this question. You have to be calm. I told you so many times. So this question, no chance for you. Bishop takes bishop, pawn takes back, it's equal. Don't give up your queen again for free. That's not going to work out. Okay, Darsh.
So first our bishop takes,
Bishop takes, pawn takes.
then pawn takes, then rook e1.
Rook e1. You're attacking my pawn. I'll defend it with my rook.
I'm not
So-
attacking your pawn.
Then what else are you attacking?
So the bishop is there.
Bishop is not the bishop took the bishop, you took back. I took back. Now you're playing rook e1, you're threatening queen takes pawn.
Yeah.
So I'll defend it. So you're making a threat which I'll defend. So making a threat is not going to give you a winning position. So let's ask Advik. Bharat, I told you one time now, you're not able to understand. So I got it. You need to be quiet now. Yes. It can be 10 moves also. You need to get a winning position. That's the aim, na? Yeah. Huh?
D1.
Here. Which, okay, you want to play this rook here. Black is already up material. Don't forget that. So I'll just move my queen somewhere here. I'll move my queen, let's say here. Game goes on. You're making only a threat of moving the knight. That itself is not a threat because I'll take the rook if the knight moves. So you're not making a threat. You're just moving it to a place where you might make a threat. So rook e1 makes a threat. After bishop takes, or right now rook e1. That's what Dash tried. But it's not going to be winning. There is a winning move. So now who else is left? 1, 2, 3. Sanvi, what's your?
E5.
You decided? No. I'm saying Arya. But
E5.
queen to e5. Then I just take it now. Why are you giving up a queen? Don't plunder your pieces, Sanvi. So that leaves Arya and Bharat. Let's ask Bharat.
Sir, it will be. We should take with the elephant.
Rook, not elephant. Rook. Yeah.
Add a
The
door.
rook.
Huh.
Rook to f7.
Okay, one second. Arya, your move.
Same.
You want to give up your rook?
Yes.
Sure.
Let's go.
Okay, so both of you at the same time you can tell. After rook takes pawn, I take it with the king. Now what?
Sir, capture the bishop
With the queen.
Queen.
And then king will move again. King will move here.
And then we move to the same. Then we move to f7.
With which piece?
Queen.
Excellent, both of you, well done. The correct move here is rook takes f7. It's a move that's very hard to find. You're giving up your rook. Bishop cannot take, it's pinned. If the bishop would take it, it's not going to win for us. So bishop cannot take. It will be illegal if the bishop moves. So king has to take. And now, because the pawn is not there, now you can play queen takes pawn. So you basically remove the defender, the pawn, and then went with queen takes bishop. And now king has only one option. Let me ask Shaurya. How will you finish the game, Shaurya? In one move. Checkmate in one move.
Queen to E7.
Queen to e7, then king will take it, no, mister. Dhruti, how will you finish the game? Checkmate in one move. Arya, I already told you, sit properly in one place. And no touching the piece, the clock. Leave everything alone. Let's be focused here. Huh.
Queen to
f7.
Okay, Riyan, how do you give checkmate in one move? How do you finish the game right here on the spot?
Queen to E8.
Then king will take it, no, mister. You're going right to the mouth of the piece. Somebody has to watch over your silence. If you're going right next to opponent's king, somebody has to support you. Somebody has to watch over you. If there's nobody helping you, then rook will take it, king will take it. Let me ask Manan, how will you finish the game, Manan?
Queen to f7.
And what is supporting the queen? Why can't the king take it?
The bishop is supporting.
Okay, Ramya, you agree with that? Is queen f7 checkmate? Is it? Okay. So those who said queen f7, good. That's how you finish the game. Huh? What other move?
G8.
If you play g8, rook will take it. You lose your queen. You have to go to f7, exactly in front of the king. That's how the queen usually gives checkmate. Those who use their queen well will be able to finish games faster if you do this checkmate. Queen right in front of the king with support of the piece. So now we'll start our game.